Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a no signal on your monitor for both of your PC and laptop, right? First up, you're going to want to ensure cables are securely connected at both the PC and the monitor, okay? And also check the correct input source if it's selected. Depending on your monitor, you will have a button that you'll be able to select the correct input source. You're going to want to check it out. Depending on your device manufacturer, you're going to want to check the website on how to select the correct input source depending on your monitor, okay? Now, right here, as you can see, this one got buttons right here and the other monitors got the buttons at the back, all right? So you're going to want to select the correct input source. So once that's done, once you have selected the correct input source and you're still having the problem, well, you're going to want to verify your cable connections, okay? Unplug and replug the display cable. It could be an HDMI, DisplayPort. As you can see here, I have both and also have VGA at the back in the second monitor, okay? Just go ahead and unplug them, then plug them back in, okay? Make sure that they are firmly seated. Now, you're going to want to look for any physical damage to the cables or ports. If there are bent pins like so, or your cables are not in good condition, you can go ahead and try to replace them. Try a different display cable as cables can become faulty. Now, if you have extra monitor, you can go ahead and try and use them because this might be a problem with your monitor, okay? Plug another monitor. If it works, well, that's a problem with your monitor. If it still doesn't work, well, it's a problem with your ports. Or if not, it's your GPU, okay? Or if it's not your GPU, it's a problem with your RAM as well. Maybe your RAM is not seated properly, okay? And if you're using a laptop, again, try a different monitor if it works, or an external monitor. If none of that works, if you're not afraid of dismantling your PC, unplug the GPU, unplug the RAM, also the CMOS battery. If you don't know what the CMOS battery is, wait a moment, I'm going to show you. That one, that circle one, okay? That looks like a silver. That's the CMOS battery. Unplug it, leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, then plug it back in. Now go ahead and check if it helps, okay? Once you replug it back in, you'll be landed to the BIOS section. So just go ahead and hit on save and exit and you'll be logged into your computer, no problem, okay? That is it. If none of the workaround helps, well, you'll have to get your computer checked by a local technician. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.